Assalamualaikum and hi, we are from Group 3. On this beautiful day, we will discuss about market evaluation of poultry industry. These poultry industry products are one of the most important protein sources for Malaysian. There are more than 50 billion chicken are raised each year as a sources of food for both meat and eggs. This industry has the potential to expand in order to meet the local demand. In order to grow up this industry, a market study can be conducted. This market evaluation is an examination of the available market of specific sector or industry. For this task, we will discuss about structure, conduct and performance analysis based on the problem and recommendation for this poultry industry.
This slide will go over the issues that the poultry industry is facing. Let us begin with the feed supply. The most important basis is feed supply because it provides energy and nutrients to the farm animals. Feeding is required for chicken to grow and develop. They are unable to produce high quality meat and eggs due to a lack of feed. The problem of animal feed becomes more serious as the ingredients used to make the feed are imported from other countries. The series of war between Russia and Ukraine impacted corn exports to our country because these countries are Malaysian main corn exporter. The following issue is also related to the previous one. The issue is lack of chicken meat. Why? Because it does not reach the market objective in terms of body weight and chicken health. As a result of the high demand for meat, the market price of chicken will rise. If this problem is not solved wisely, other things will occur. For example, chicken producer may use hormone injection to accelerate the growth of their chicken despite knowing that this method is prohibited in the industry. Then I will pass this slide to my friends Muhammad Zahid.
Next is egg supply. The issue of chicken egg supply has become a public concern and it's getting serious. Retailers only accept B, C and D size egg and charge a ridiculous price. According to media reports, Malaysia Minister of Domestic Trade and Consumer Affairs confirmed that the supply of chicken eggs was found to be reduced. This can be proven by the Maidan supermarket that imports eggs from other countries. In addition, many small and large supermarkets are out of stock due to the lack of egg. At the same time, there is a high demand from consumers such as a restaurant owner and individual. As stated earlier, the Malaysian poultry sector is experiencing a serious problem in terms of egg production, broiler supply, and feed supply. This problem must be solved immediately to avoid further complication. So, we must have alternative or measure to stabilize the industry.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lisa Aswa. Today I would like to talk about the recommendation that I get in the poultry industry is research and development must be established and improved. R&D plays an important role in the focus on the long success in some company, which translate into the economic growth. Companies with a background in the poultry industry must promote growth strategies and R&D activities that generate new customer value in the poultry business, as R&D is critical to the country's well-being. It adds value and allows the country to compete in the global economy. Companies must launch initiatives to promote R&D in the poultry industry, which will increase commercialization and can grow the business. To be long-term resilient, the industry must prioritize innovation or R&D-led LED growth models. For example, the use of plant-based waste can take the place of imported food. Not only that, that can also encourage the use of plant-based waste as poultry feed because it not only save money but save environment too. In addition to focusing on increased sales, the poultry industry is encouraged to improve operational efficiency through R&D. Investors in this industry are encouraged to take advantage of government facilities, grants and incentives to help increase their business. And that's from me. Thank you.
Hi, so moving on to my part. Based on market evaluation, below are some livestock poultry sector recommendation. So the first step is to work with merchants to determine suitable retail prices for customers. The government can intervene to protect consumers, and certain price procedures must be created to allow customers to profit from the prices. To achieve fairness for everyone in the system, the entire supply chain of the egg industries as well as consumer welfare must be enhanced. Second, producers should rely on local feed poultry using feed composition made from locally available raw ingredients. This is intended to reduce the country's dependency on imported feed. Farmers own feed with commercial feed to produce high-quality chicken feed formulation at competitive pricing according to further research. Last but not least, a contract farming system could be one of the options for the egg industry to reduce production costs while ensuring successful agricultural activities. Thank you.
For the conclusion is that the egg industry in Malaysia has prospered, but after the outbreak of the pandemic, the egg industry in Malaysia has decreased due to the several issues. Secondly, the demand of the egg decreased during the pandemic due to the many restaurants, cat shops, and so on not being able to operate during the pandemic season. This causes loss to the egg producing company. Therefore, they have reduced the size of the livestock and cost less egg production. When the pandemic ends, the company began to recover and caused the demand for the egg to increase rapidly. When the demand is high, with the little egg production, the price of egg jumped dramatically. Egg producer reduced the number of livestock to reduce the burden of bearing loss during the pandemic. Therefore, egg production is also low. The egg production rate decreased from 120% to 100% only. Additionally, the cost of farming is rising along with the price of livestock feed is also one of the factors drive up the cost of the egg. In my opinion, I think the government should take a number of action to intermediate the breeder and lower the price of egg. The government should give a subsidy to the breeder to help them to cut the cost and loss from the pandemic. Furthermore, the government also should allow any company to import eggs to the Malaysia. I hope it can help to fulfill the needs of the Malaysian population. That's all from me. Thank you.